Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on how to copy an Excel sheet using Python's pandas library, along with a code example. Python's pandas library provides a convenient and efficient way to manipulate and analyze data in tabular form. One common task is copying sheets between Excel workbooks. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use pandas to copy a sheet from one Excel file to another. Python and pandas installed. Ensure that Python is installed on your system. You can install pandas using the following command. Excel files. Have two Excel files ready, one with the sheet you want to copy, and the other where you want to paste the copied sheet. Let's assume you have an Excel file named source_file.xlsx with a sheet named sheet1 that you want to copy. You also have an Excel file named destination_file.xlsx where you want to paste the copied sheet. Import pandas. Import the pandas library with the alias pd. Define the copy function. Define a function that takes four parameters: source_file, source_sheet_name, destination_file, and destination_sheet_name. Read source sheet. Use pd read_excel to read the source sheet into a pandas data frame, source_df. Write to destination sheet. Use pd Excel writer to create a writer object for the destination file, and then use to_excel to write the data frame to the new sheet in the destination file. Print confirmation. Print a confirmation message. Specify file and sheet names. Specify the file names and sheet names. Call the copy function. Call the defined function to copy the sheet. Copying Excel sheets using pandas in Python is straightforward. The pd read_excel method is used to read the source sheet into a data frame, and to_excel is used to write the data frame to a new sheet in the destination file. This tutorial provides a basic example, and you can further customize it based on your specific requirements. ChatGPT.